Welcome students.
Date is 4th August 2021 and day is Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Words for practice.
First word is stray. S-T-R-A-Y. Stray. Stray means ਭਟਕ ਜਾਣਾ ਜਾਂ ਬੇਘਰ ਹੋਣਾ. Second word is stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. Stream means ਛੋਟੀ ਨਦੀ.
Third word is stress. S-T-R-E-S-S. Stress. Stress means चिंता या tension. Fourth word is string. S-T-R-I-N-G. String. String means धागा या डोरी.
Fifth word is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Strong means ताकतवर.
It's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow with some new words. Till then, bye bye.